Oh boy. Hello everyone and welcome. Today is a beautiful day for a joyride, and I'm fortunate I'm not going to be able to do it in my car today, but I got a friend of mine that has a slingshot and he is anxious for me to go for a ride with him. So I'm going to bring you along with me and we're going to enjoy this day after all.
This is a Slingshot SL. Very nice. First time ever been close to one. I love it. Seems to have the accessories of an automobile, but you treat it like a motorcycle.
Want to see the engine? You know it's a Chevrolet Cobalt. You know them old 4-cylinder?
I don't know anything about it. I want you to tell me.
It's a Chevrolet Cobalt. The little Chevrolet Cobalt engine. You have to help me with this thing.
Okay, what I need to do.
That over there, so when it starts coming up, you kind of lift it up right where your hand is. No, over there. Right there, yeah. There you go.
Okay.
I like this. Gives you plenty of room to work on the edge.
Ain't that crazy, man? They come up with some nuts like this.
Tell me about it, Ronnie.
It's 171 horsepower.
Okay.
But the thing on the weight is 1,173 pounds. So that's why you know what it does with that.
Okay.
5-speed.
So it's like a car and a motorcycle all in one.
Instead of a motorcycle. Back up and look at the wheel.
The rear tire has been upgraded from a 17 to a 20 inch.
See what you have.
There are all kind of accessories that you can add to these vehicles, and not to mention accessories for the horsepower.
Crazy, huh?
It is. It is. I have seen them on the highway, but never been close up to one.
Me either. Watch this.
The interior is pretty much water resistant.
$2,400
Praise me freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. Why this sea precedes me?
Little 173 horsepower. They got roofs and stuff, but that takes the fun away from it.
It sure does.
Almost more breakfast.
Yeah.
Like in the morning, we're gonna be out all day. If the weather's nice, we're gonna be out all day.
It's like being on a bike / Corvette.
Polaris engine. Everybody wants these cars. You can put a cold air intake. You can just go to Chevrolet dealer and get what you want.
Okay, so this one here has the Chevrolet engine in it.
The thing about being outside, man, is feeling the breeze.
I must admit, I have seen quite a few people on the highway riding these without helmets. I'm just saying. I must say, I can see how you can cruise all day on a Slingshot. This is a fun ride. And if it rains, who cares?
And these guys still super these things up, man. I'm like, how much more you need?
Fast enough just being stopped.
Yeah. Just got a power from that over here. It's got cruise control, backup camera. It's got everything.
Cruise control and backup camera.
Yeah. Wheel tail.
So it's got a 4-cylinder Cobalt engine.
Yeah. 5-speed.
Now, is this the roll bar or anything like that,
No,
or
no roll bar. That's why you gotta wear a helmet.
you got to wear a helmet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything without a roll bar and without a roof, and 3 wheels considered a motorcycle.
Okay.
The tail is adjustable to depends on how you want to press the back down.
Okay.
You can just adjust it that way. Rear wheel, man, rear wheel shot. That's
Gee.
a 20-inch wheel. That's a 305 on it.
Gee, so the tail's not on there just for a fashion statement.
No,
It's actually serve a purpose.
Yeah, so it holds it down. Yeah. This is the SL model, the middle one.
And from my understanding, you definitely want to keep this rear wheel out of potholes.
She got backup camera,
Yep.
cruise control.
Yep, cruise control, everything. Yeah.
It's got everything that a car would have and a motorcycle.
Yep, exactly. Rear wheel. Like I said, main thing you gotta remember, whatever you miss in the front, that back wheel gonna get if you don't get out of the way. You gotta learn how to drive it.
Okay.
But you gotta remember that back wheel is the center. You can't be thinking you're driving a car.
Uh-huh.
You gotta keep that, up here.
Gotcha.
Like I said, I'm just learning, man. I'm just learning.
You know, and it's kind of easy to
Forget.
Yeah, because you feel like, for a moment you feel like you're in a car, in a Corvette.
Or Lotus. Back seat has storage. Yeah.
Let's see what you got. So you pretty much put your luggage and all back there.
Not much. Yeah.
How about the other side? Does it have storage? Okay.
I just got that speaker now. I like that. You have to borrow that.
And the sound system is awesome. I can't play it on YouTube, guys, because you know what'll happen. YouTube don't like me doing that.
Oh, yeah. That's it, man.
Well, Ronnie, I sure appreciate it,
All right.
and you have saw it here. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.